Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the 11th match in round 1. And the scores are the Queen's School on 16 and McGrath High on 13. So let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, and teams will of course lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see, 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible knowledge. James, the son of Zebedee, was one of Jesus' disciples. Who was his McGrath High?
John.
Yes, who was his brother? Biology. What genetic disorder is caused by having 3 copies of chromosome 21? The Queen's School.
Down syndrome.
Is correct. English language. Spell liaison. The Queen's School.
L-I-A-S-O-N.
No, L-I-A-I-S-O-N. Local affairs teams, look on the screen, please, and identify the individual. Queens.
This is Christopher Tofton.
No, it's Mike Henry. Chemistry. What is the chemical formula for cobalt-2 sulfide? It's COS. Music and audio question teams. Listen to the clip and give the full name of the group. Queens.
And the Whalers.
Bob Marley and the Wailers.
Correct. General knowledge. Which country was previously known as Formosa? Queens.
Thailand.
Thailand.
No, Taiwan. Spanish. Which celebration is Dia de las Madres? McGrath.
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Is correct. Geography. Which island lies the farthest east of all the West Indian islands? It's Barbados. Theatre and cinema. Visual question. Please look at the screen and identify the individual. That's Gabriel Union. Information technology. What term is used to describe a device that can be in one of 2 possible stable states, such as on or off, pulse or no pulse, 0 or 1? That's a bistable device. History. What was the white marble temple built in ancient Athens in honor of Athena called? Parthenon. Mathematics. What is the formula to calculate the area of a Queens?
No, not square. This is...
And you did not complete the answer in time. The question was actually to calculate the area of a sphere, and the answer is 4 pi r squared. Physics. What is the name for a device that stores and releases electrical charges? That's a capacitor. Sports or visual question teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. That's Floyd Mayweather. Jamaican heritage. In which parish are the Castleton Botanical Queens?
St. Mary.
Correct, the Castleton Botanical Gardens. Which part of the house is le sous-sol? And that's in French. It's a basement. Literature. Who wrote the poem Sonnets from China 15? W.H. Auden. Art. Which Jamaican artist sculpted the controversial Bob Marley monument? Queens.
Alvin Marriott.
No, Christopher Gonzalez. Bible knowledge. What did Simon Peter do for a living? And the bell came first. So that's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are the Queen's School on 12 points and McGrath High on 17 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.